portion. Alyssa Wyman, report to the Student Life Office at this time, please. Alyssa Wyman, report to the Student Life Office at this time.
All right, everybody, clear your desk. Pop test.
Freddie, you're broke. You don't have any money on your account. Do you have cash? I don't. You're gonna have to put it back. Sorry.
What is this? You'll have to see Miss Hale.
Could you wake up, please?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, thanks.
I was like, Dr. Barrow, you were supposed to see most of the study guide.
Sweatshirt off!
Oh, Lauren, that's a cute sweatshirt. Oh, nice.
Another question.
Tell me. Seriously, go shave.
Mr. Brown, I think I really want to go to Harvard. What? What?
No.
Why not?
No.
I'm not going to college.
Anna, we should probably just put your name on this because you seem to wear it all the time. Do enjoy and bring it back to me at the end of the day. Thank you.